Happy birthday!
Kailangan mo talaga magawa yan.
Change place. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Zaylee, Tristin. We're gonna sing.
Ni Zay ang magbo-blow ha. Baka makiblow tong dalawang to.
Yeah, they might blow. Yeah, look at inside this might blow. How can I try lighting it up?
Happy birthday, my
Happy birthday, Daisy!
Kilig-kilig mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
It's
you!
out.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Zaylee! You make a wish in your head and then you blow the candle.
I don't need to. Okay.
You already get it? Ang smart ng sagot nito.
Happy birthday.
Hi, video!
Charles.
Saan siya nag-blend? Hi, video.
Niliinan mo naman, bro.
Hi, video daw.
Saan ka galing?
Oh, hi!
And then this.
Cooper and Summer. Cooper and Summer. Say thank you to them. Yeah, they work so hard. See? Who's this?
Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man.
The wheel.
Oh, open na, open na. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes.
Ito, inuuto ang bata.
Ate, bakit bukas ang pan-auto?
Okay, you can open your eyes now. Ninang supports you.
Hindi ko nga pinipilahan ng ganyan. Galing. Gusto ko nga unicorn ang hanapin niya. Or
Ayaw nga ng unicorn, pipilit mo yung unicorn. Diba? To? Yay! Oo. See? Tong-tong, tinan mo yung mukha ng anak mo.
Kaya nga.
Wow! Good job.
What do you say, Zay?
Open your eyes. You're welcome. Open your eyes.
Sit down ka doon.
Play-Doh.
Yay!
Marami na yung didikit sa'yo.
Dami tayo, bro. Ay, lagay kami lang. Dami tayo.
Mag-carpet!
Dami yan.
Ah,
Thank you.
What do you like?
Thank you.
mag-heart tayo, sis.
Ready na. So, wala akong kaano.
I want to
Yung sabi ko, nag-submit kami.
Okay, Mama, this is the closest I can get.
Happy birthday.
And that. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Kiss na.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're 4 now.
Thank you. Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Can you show your feet? Look at your feet. It's so dirty.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Kush.
Mama, my birthday. I'm making a sandcastle.
Is it relaxing?
Ako sa ilalim, merong
Lapit na lapit ako dito. Hi, bebe. Smile naman dyan. Hi, boo-boys. Hi, baby. Hi, Kuya Pipoy. Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Ha?
Hi, ma. Kaya naman ang ano dyan.
Hi guys!
So, sa kasalukuyan, nasa white court kami.
Yes.
And so we're here in White Court and we're repeating this.
Like what I said earlier, what you missed probably.
That will be muted anyway.
We're just stubborn.
Look here, baby.
Spider-Man.
One, two. Ano yun? Sabi ko jump shot.
And just let it sit inside the net. And then you lift the net up and you
Happy birthday, Zay.
Happy birthday, Zeze.
Happy birthday, Zay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Zay.
Paano ginagawa mo? Pa, mahal na mahal ka namin pa. Ano ginagawa mo?
nagdadarama.
Pa, it's okay.
Wow.
Did you enjoy? What part did you like?
The tubing. And my favorite is ice cream. The pool.
In the pool. Happy birthday, Say.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Favorite.
Pa-holding hands pa kayo dyan pa.
And the winner is Sally, the birthday girl.
Thank you. For what? For the gift.
Oh, for the gift.
Isn't that Cooper in summer? And you? You literally just said Summer and Cooper worked hard for it. And then you bought it.
What are you cooking?
Raymond. This is Raymond.
This is the best party ever.
Best party ever?
Kawawa naman.
What is this called?
Hiniwa ka na nga, tinusa ka pa.
Pizza.
So funny.
Why is it funny?
But I'm just joking on here.
I will heat it. I will heat it first.
Matamis.
Siyempre, matamis yan.
Nagulat po kayo pag maalat.
Tama na.
Oh my gosh. Oh my I'm so proud of you, baby.
Wala tayong bucket. Paano man yan? We caught one.
Seryosohan sila dyan, oh.
Ayaw no ba?
Ayaw.
Nagkikwento yan sa isang daga eh.
Eh, crawfish naman yung hinuhuli
Ganyan
natin.
din yan, Ann. Maisip din yan kahit alimango, kahit fish. Yan, wag kayo doon pumunta kasi may nanguhuli doon banda. Hindi na yan na ano. Hindi na yun. Hindi na nagpakita yung crawfish. Hindi, totoo yan. Ito lang matatanda. Ito, hindi tuloy lumabas yung crawfish kasi ito na yung lalagyan. Ang laki. Natakot.
Wala nang mahuli.
Pag umalis sila, saka tayo lalabas. Saka wala na, hindi na makikita to. Natakot eh.
Ay, naku.
Nangagat.
Nangagat ngayon pa. Careful, Zay, ha?
Don't touch it. They're not.
Look.
It looks like filmy crabs. Filmy crabs. There's filmy crabs. I don't
We're gonna eat them.
know. You guys listen. Got my eyes on you. Are you dead?
Hmm?
Mas malaki nakuha ko.
Wow.
Papa, can I use
Crabfish.
Wow.
Masarap to sa butter, garlic, and with a little honey.
Wow. Inaano mo na, sinesentensyahan mo na sila, ha?
Fish, dami, oh. Sa honey and garlic butter. Sarap. Dito namin kinuha, oh. Galing. Libre, walang bayad.
Gusto mo nang lutuin yan, ma.
Sa maraming butter and garlic. With a little honey and paminta. Sarap.
Happy camping!